Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger. You need to find the relays for the ignition switch. Stay with us. We'll explain which 5 relays you need to check. We'll explain you may have different relays for the ignition switch depending on the model, year, configuration, guys, engine and all that stuff. Another thing, we will teach you how to test relays, and if the ignition switch still does not work, we will guys have a video on our channel that will teach you about that, but we'll talk about in this video, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So let's explain what we have specifically here, guys. This is this is the fuse box right here. This is the actually, guys, the fuse box in the engine compartment. That's the fuse box that we need to open. So we have one notch here, one there. You squish towards each other, you pull straight up, flip on the side. You have the fuse numbers and relays listed here, and that will correspond to what we have specifically here. Some of the relays that you need to check, guys. One of them for ignition switch will be a relay now. Okay, in that case you may have it or you may not. Relay 56. That relay, okay, could be right here. Then you need to check relay 59. In our case, it's that relay right here. For the ignition switch, I will have hard time removing it without removing that one. Okay, so let me put it back in. But that's the relay. Okay, one of the relays for the ignition switch. If you guys want to see how to test the relay, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that in just a few minutes, and you will be able to find out if it's a good or bad relay. If you need to buy a replacement relay or just to keep some spare ones in the glove box, I'll put a link in the video below, guys, where you can get some from for a really good price and quick shipping, and that way you can have a peace of mind that you have a relay, spare relay. Now you may have 2 more relays here that depending if it's a police charger or not, you may have 61 and 62 as well. You may have these 2 relays, so check them as well. Now the last relay that we need to check is actually, guys, in the fuse box in the trunk of that Dodge Charger now. So we're in the trunk, and once we remove the carpet liner, okay, right here you can see this is a trunk lock, and right there, guys, this is the car battery, this is the fuse box. You press right here, we open it. Okay, like that. And if you look right here now, guys, the relay that you need to check for the ignition switch, it's that special relay right here. Check it out. That's very, very important relay. So those are the relays for the ignition. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.